Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Bet365 Sports Betting app on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you simply got to go to your App Store or Play Store, respectively according to your device. Go to search bar and type in Bet365 and search it up. Then you will find your app right over here. Go ahead, tap on it, tap on this get option, and now I simply have to double click and scan your face ID for the verification, and simply have to wait till this particular circle completes itself, and then it is automatically downloaded and installed to your device. Gotta wait for that while. Then once it's done being downloaded, you can see this open option. You can tap on this open, and now you simply gotta go ahead, use it however you would prefer, and that is it. If you go back, you will also find this app listed right over there, and that is it. So this is basically how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.